Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by FX, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Amazon stock fell by 3.5% on Wednesday, closing at $237.50, driven by investor anxiety over the Federal Reserve's signals of possible rate hikes later in 2026. The UK stock market index rose by 0.2% on Wednesday, as investors assessed inflation data and looked ahead to the Bank of England meeting on Thursday. Brent oil fell towards $78 per barrel on Thursday, extending its decline toward the lowest levels since March, following reports that the US and Iran digitally signed their interim peace agreement. The Canadian dollar weakened to around 1.41 per USD, near a 7-month low, after the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged as expected. Ether dropped about 3% to near $1,700 on Thursday, as investors turned risk-averse ahead of the Federal Reserve's first policy decision under new chair Kevin Warsh. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 11 a.m., the interest rate in the UK is expected to decrease, after reaching 3.75% in May. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index for June, following -0.4 in May. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate of May, following 1.4% in April.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.